Here on this edition of True Facts, Newsflash, if you're one of them people that tells people, hey, you should mind your own business because of snitches or getting told on, or maybe somebody, knows about what the fuck you're doing that ain't maybe a good thing to be doing, get this. Maybe the problem is you. Maybe you're not as slick as you fucking think you are. Maybe you're not the tight operator that you gifted yourself to thinking that you really are. Maybe you're a little loose. You must check the problem first. If you're going to be one of these manacle tough guys in life, one of these gangsters, then maybe you need to get a little bit more better at the art you're working and practicing. Because hell, if they know your business, you got to ask yourself, how in the hell do they know your business? They just walk around God's green earth minding their business. Blows my fucking mind. Here in Arkansas, God bless you, fluent English.